So if you're like me, you have a lot of, we'll call it stuff at home that you want to bring with you when you hit the road for a camping adventure. A lot of times you're like, I can't bring this. I want to bring that. I don't think I can. I don't know if the wife will let me bring that. What am I going to do? I have the answer for you. Hi, it's Steve, and we are in an Outlaw 38K 2026 Outlaw 38K. This is a Class A toy hauler, 39 feet, 9 inches in length. This configuration right here, going to give you seatbelts for 7, sleeping for 5, and that awesome garage, because it's a toy hauler, right? I want to start up front while I'm here. We'll work our way to the garage and then out, and I'll show you a few things on the outside. Ford F53 chassis, nice V8 under the hood, so you're going to get nice power. 8,000 pound hitch, one-touch leveling jacks, fog lights, emergency start, your sunshade, cabin lights, generator start, 5,500 watt gas generator on here, and you have your driver and passenger fans, steering wheel, cruise control, button here for maintenance reminders, trip meters, so on and so forth. The button over here controls the infotainment center. Little camera button means you can pull up the backup camera or the side view cameras at any point. New 14-inch screen. Move this however you want, up, down, left, right. Make it work for you, and especially on days when that sun is coming in, you can tilt it to how you want. All the features are built in. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, just about anything else you want. You plug your phone in down here if you're going to use CarPlay or Android Auto. HVAC controls, traction control, a lot of cup holders, flip out dash workstation here, which is pretty cool. So if you're not displaying pictures of the family and the dog, notice the dog takes priority. That's okay. My wife's screensaver on her phone is pictures of the dogs, and I'll be honest, so is mine. You dog lover, you get it, right? If you know, you know. So this pulls out. When this seat is swiveled around, you can sit here and get work done. 1,800 watt inverter powers that outlet down there and select others throughout the Outlaw. That way, when you are on the road, you can get whatever you need to do done. If you want to connect to social media to get some work done, you have WineGuard 5G on board, Cat 6 connectivity as well. So all the connectivity and technology that you need, even if you want to stream to the smart TV right here. Sit at the sofa, you're connected, and bam, you're now watching whatever it is you need. The other awesome feature of this living room, and why it's so expansive, so we're talking 80 inches at its lowest height, and then the ceiling space just keeps going up and up, so it's very open and it's very homey inside, especially when you have these seats spun around, you have this pedestal table set up. Now you have this whole area for conversations, or this is its own little breakfast nook, or it's a game table for the kids. That's great. So you can set this up and make it work however you need to use it, depending on who you're traveling with. So seatbelts in the sofa, that makes into a bed. Our dinette here makes into a bed. We have a wireless charger back here, as well as charging ports. So you can charge your devices here while you are on the go. Cup holder, smart TV, windows here if you'd like ventilation. You can open up these, those just slide up, and then the window over here slides open. Now you have nice cross ventilation if it gets a little too hot. You have dual roof ACs, 13,500 BTU AC roof air conditioners. Little storage underneath here as well. And as you look around, storage everywhere. Look at that. You have nice, beautiful cabinets. This is our Night Raven decor, by the way, with the Park collection. It's a great look. So you have storage there, storage in this kitchen, whether it's down below. Tons of room here for pans. Storage up here for a pantry. How about a pantry, or maybe you're a tailgater. You like to make an old fashioned. Keep whatever you need right in there. Convection microwave, single burner electric induction cooktop, 2 gas burners, so the best of both worlds. And then you have back here a little spice rack, which is super handy if you're one of those who really likes to cook when you are out and save some of that money. Nice refrigerator in here too. Check that out. Large freezer, large fridge, so you can really fit whatever it is you need inside of here, and then you lock it and away you go. Let's hit up this bathroom real quick. Check out the ceiling height in that shower as this just keeps climbing and climbing. Plenty of ceiling height. You have a skylight up there. Your oxygenic shower head is on a wand, a glass door, your toilet, your sink. Tankless hot water on board, so suburban furnace. So when you're connected to city water, you're gonna get just endless hot water. And then as we head back here, Rapid Camp Plus, so everything you need to do from here, from slides to lights to tank levels, set your auto gen start parameters, you can do that from here. You have remote panels throughout, and this is how you're going to fire up your 1800 watt inverter. Into the bedroom, we have a king size bed. This is going to be on a tilt-a-view mechanism, so when you have this up in this position, you're going to have a ton of space. Back here, this is all prepped for a combo washer dryer, so you can toss that in there. That is all plumbed for there. This is going to be the ladder for the drop-down over cab bunk, or just use it for storage. And then more hanging space, more drawers. You have a nice wireless puck on each side of the nightstand. So a lot of space inside, but then we get to the garage. So this is gonna be 8 by 10.2, tons of headroom in here. That is a dedicated 8,000 BTU AC unit, 2,000 pound capacity in this garage. Look at this, even have a little sliding glass door, which is cool, or you can just pull the screen just like you would on your patio at home, and you can let that cross ventilation go through. Tie downs right here, so you can tie down whatever it is you are bringing with you. Windows for ventilation, and you have vents back here. Lots of storage cubbies up above, so you can bring whatever you need to bring with you. Even a ceiling fan. And then we walk right back through these screen doors to our patio. So again, 2,000 pound capacity in the garage. When you have this in patio mode like we have this now, this is going to be 1,500 pounds. And then when it is in ramp mode, that's 3,000 pound capacity. You have this nice guardrail to set up, so you can close this off. And now you can just set up and relax, enjoy. Maybe you're fishing off the back of this. It's a great, versatile motorhome. And I wanna head outside and show you just a couple of things here. So if you're gonna use this as, you're not going in and out of this door, you can put this down and then nobody is accidentally stepping into that footwell, and then when you don't need it, you just lock that into place. And down we go. I'll start in the back here. In this bay, there's a little switch here, so you'll press that switch and that will take and release your 0G ramp door. Going to have a propane connection right there, so if you brought along a grill or a griddle, maybe you're fishing off the back, maybe you're catching some walleye, maybe some yellow perch, depending on where you go. Boom, fish fry in your Outlaw. Nice storage bay here. Pet tie down right here. Over here, another large storage bay, and this one has our batteries and breakers in here. This unit is equipped with the Solar Panel Plus package, so 500 watts of solar, gonna keep those batteries topped off. These are the guts for the hydraulic leveling jack, so if you ever need to do service, nice and easy and accessible. Another large storage bay here, nice rotocast material. It's not gonna mold, it's not gonna mildew, it's not gonna get that bay stink. Just easily rinse that out, wipe it out, and you're good to go. If you're in an Outlaw and you brought your toys, you know you're gonna throw some muddy gear in there. Then we get up here, another large storage bay. This has some pass-through. You have storage bays on the other side as well as the Nautilus system. So all kinds of room, all kinds of storage. This is going to be your freshwater tank. Again, easy access when you want to drain that. You just turn that handle, you can drain your fresh water, and you're going to fill your tank from here. Right here, an exterior TV. This has a soundbar, a smart TV as well. So if you've connected to that WineGuard 5G, you can stream all your favorite shows. You can put that awning out. You can pull out your favorite chairs or whatever you have stored in here. Little pass-through in there as well. And now you've turned your Outlaw into a drive-in theater where you're not spending time on the trails. It's a really versatile vehicle that allows you to go just about anywhere and bring just about anything with you. This is the Outlaw 38K, and you can build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.